How can the law of attraction help make my current relationship better?
How to improve a relationship that you already have with the law of attraction? That's a good question. So I might sound like a broken record, but it's really the same message for anything that you're wanting. So if you want to improve a relationship that you already have, the first thing you want to do is to love yourself. Okay, the more you love yourself, the less needy you will be, the less you will need from the other person. You'll still want from the other person. You will still hope for the other person. You will still feel desire for the other person, but you won't need it as much. And because you won't need it as much because you love yourself, you become automatically more appealing. You become more attractive. You also become more forgiving, become more patient, right? When you adopt self-love, you experience a cascade of changes in your body and in your behavior that have far-reaching ramifications that influence not only the people that you're around every day, but the people that you casually pass by on the street. Your mood, how you feel, the attitude in which you exist in, does a lot to influence the people who care about you, especially, and someone that you love, especially. So if you want to improve a relationship you have, you want to increase the amount of self-love you have. You want to realize how important you are. You want to give yourself value. Now, to get deeper with your question, it might be that this other person, despite how loving and how exciting and how happy you are, is not interested in what you have to offer, right? Sometimes people grow together and sometimes they grow apart. And unless you're willing to accept that as well, if you're not willing to accept that people can grow apart, then you are one who is trying to hold on to something that is not yours, right? You're feeling the tension and the stress of keeping a relationship going despite the fact that the path of least resistance is for a separation. And so, again, I don't want you to use, or anyone to use the law of attraction in order to get what they want. I want them to use it in order to enjoy the process of moving in the direction of what they want. And I believe that you're far more likely to reach the outcome that you're looking for if you care about yourself, value yourself, and you love yourself.